Tomorrow marks the fifth anniversary of Eric Garner, who was chokehold death by the police officers in New York City. And today, the Department of Justice says the New York cops will not face federal charges in chokehold death. This is unbelievable. And now, you please listen to his mom, who was silent for the past 5 years, and now she says she's no longer going to be silent. And also, you can also hear Eric Gardner's daughter, who is actually fighting for his death. It's really unbelievable. And one of his daughter actually died fighting for rights of Eric Garner. And now the New York City says tomorrow is going to be the statute of limitation ends, 5 years. But let's see.
Good morning, everyone. We're here with heavy hearts because the DOJ has failed us. Although we looked for better from them, 5 years ago, my son said, "I can't breathe" 11 times. And today we can't breathe because they have let us down. We have been on the forefront. We have followed it up. We had to go. We had to fight. This is not an easy fight, but we kept on pushing. And make no mistake about it, we're going to still push. You can push back, but we're pushing forward because this is not the end. And we're asking the commissioner to make the right decision. That Officer Pandaleo, and all the officers who was involved in my son's death that day need to be off the force. The streets of New York City is not safe with them walking around. 5 years ago, it was me. It was my family. Today or tomorrow, it could be your family. You are New York City residents. You're not infallible. You must remember that. But I take it to God. I think he sits high and he looks low. We may not never know justice in the DOJ, but I think there will be justice. And we're going to keep fighting, and we're going to keep fighting. We're not going away. So you can forget that. You think it's swept under the rug? No, it's not going to be swept under the rug. Because I'm out here. You all know my faith, and you're going to see it even more now. Because this is an outrage, an insult to injury. You killed my son, and you won't get away with it. I stood quietly by for 5 years. I'm not being quiet anymore. And I ask all the supporters to support me. Thank you.
We're here from Emerald, his daughter.
As you all can tell, I'm very angry. I am very angry. I stand here in the spirit of my sister, who fought for justice until her dying day for my father, standing outside protesting. She called the CCRB to do this investigation, and they didn't do their job. We called the Department of Justice. They didn't do their job. So no, I'm going to stand outside and I'm going to scream it. Pantaleo needs to be fired. He needs to be fired. There is no waiting. There is no nothing. The statute of limitation ends tomorrow. Eric died 7/17/14. We're 7/16/19. 5 years later and there's still no justice. So no, there won't be no calm. No, there won't be no peace. No justice, no peace. I'm here for Alyssa, I'm here for Kaylee, and I'm here for EJ. They have to watch their grandfather be killed on TV every time the news comes on. They have to watch as we go through this, and we are emotional because we have to be strong for these children. So no, we will not rest. No, we will not be calm. De Blasio, what's up? When are you going to fire this officer? You have the evidence. You have the evidence. And more evidence than we ever knew got released in this trial. A lot of information that we didn't even know was released in the trial. So where's the justice? Don't apologize to me. Fire the officer. Don't give me your condolences. I heard that 5 years ago. We want justice and we want it today. By 5 o'clock. o'clock, they should be letting us know something. Something. Because coming in here, bringing us here in a roundtable talk just to say, after you already released your decision that you apologize, your condolences, no. We've been quiet for way too long. My sister died fighting for justice. You won't kill me. You won't kill me. That's it.
You know, they were telling us that the statute of limitations run out tomorrow. But as I know the law book, there's no statute of limitations for murder. Am I right or wrong? There's no statute of limitations, and that was murder that they did to my son.
Well, just a minute. Attorney Jonathan Moore can address the legal part of the meeting.
I think the failure of 5 attorney generals and 3 U.S. attorneys in the Eastern District to bring a case for the death of Eric Garner is a shame. It's a national disgrace. And it's an issue of national importance. And everybody running for president should have to take a position on whether it's a just result in this case. All the Democrats, all the Republicans, they should have to take a position. Because this case is not dead. Under the federal civil rights laws, there is no statute of limitation for a conspiracy to violate somebody's civil rights that results in a death, or a deprivation of rights under color of law that results in death. 18 U.S.C. 241, 18 U.S.C. 242. Look it up. This case is not over. And the next president and the next attorney general will be presented with these same set of facts, and we hope that they do the right thing, because we will not rest until there's justice for Eric Garner and his family.